everyone, welcome back to Sharp Skills. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into one of the most crucial aspects of web design, creating a beautiful header for your WordPress website using Elementor. A well-designed header not only enhances the visual appeal but also improves user experience. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have WordPress installed. Of course you do. And the Elementor plugin is up and running. If you have not already installed Elementor, you can easily find it in the WordPress plugin repository. Once you are all set, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. Now let's jump into the election. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the templates and click on theme builder. From here, click on header, and from here click on plus add new. You can choose to build from scratch or use one of the existing templates as a starting point. You can see we have a lot of these pro templates, pro header templates here. You can choose according to your desire. I want to show you one that how to insert any template, any header template from here. I want to select that template that have a top bar and then header section. I want to insert this header. Click on insert, and that's how it looks like. But in this step we will design our header by scratch. I insert this header because I want to show you how to insert the header. And you can design your header to match your website style and branding. You can add elements like your logo, navigation menu, and contact details, and more. Use Elementor's drag and drop editor to customize your header exactly as you envision it. Remember to focus on responsiveness to ensure it looks great on all devices. So just let's get started. I want 3 columns here. So I will, first of all, I want to make it from here turn on stretch section. Then I want to add one more column here. So from here column, click on here duplicate column, and from here, that is the navigation menu. I do not want again navigation menu here. I want to add a button here. So from here click here and it be gone. Now drag and adjust column width and click here and give it a width like that. I think it's fine. Now select your header that you want to show here on your navigation menu. So click here and select your header. I have currently this header and I want to show that header to my navigation menu. So I just select here header menu. I want it center. I want to align center. Pointer is like when we hover on it, that's underline is showing here. I want it like, no, it's not good. I select pointer as text and how it looks like, and animation is now currently selected grow, and I think it's fine. Let's just select float and see how it looks like. So I think it's fine. Now adjust this section, select its height, select minimum height, and from here make it 70. In this column, if you are making it by scratch, in this column click here on this rubric icon, and from here select your site logo and drag it to here. And in this section, in this column, currently I just added a template, so that's why it's already added here. So how you do that, just go to the rubric icon and enter navigation menu, and you see this one, just drag and drop it here like that. You see it's not currently styled, but this one is just little bit styled. So I want to delete it here because I have already added here. And in this column click on plus icon, and from here You can add anything, but I want to add a button here. So just drag and drop to this column, and I want to add a text like call us, and I want to make it center or yeah, right, and I do not want to add any icon here. I will click on none and go to the style, and you can style your button, but I want to start from here. So currently now these are icon list, and I have this dummy number here. It's not a valid number, and in your case, if you are making it for your website or for your client, you must make sure that you have entered valid number. So I want to make it a link, like when user click on it, they directly call to this number. So for that, click here and into link write TEL colon and enter your number. Make sure it have zero space in it, like that, and you see now it's a link. And I want to do the same with this mail. It's also a dummy email, it's not a valid email. So into the link write mail to colon and enter your email, and you see when user click on it, they directly email you from here. I want to change the color here according to my website color. So into the style tab, go to the icons, and from here select color according to your desire. Yeah, it's fine. When we hover on it, I want this color. I think it's too dark. Make it lighter. Click here and decrease its transparency. It's not fine. Still not better. It's fine, I think so. Now move to this social icons, and Google Plus is not currently used, so I do not want to add this. I want Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, and you can add more from here. Click on add item and go to the icon library and select, like you can add WhatsApp here or anything. All of social handles are here, so you can select anyone. So I do not want WordPress, so click on here, and when we hover on it, I see that like these yellow colors, so I do not want this color. Make it shape like circle. Currently it's selected like square. How round it looks like, but I want a circle, so I select its shape as circle. And column is auto selected, and it is fine. If it is not selected, then if we select column 1, then they will show like that. Auto is fine for me, and alignment right is fine. Now go to the style tab and everything is much fine. Size is also 14 is fine. I want to change its color when we hover on it, so I want to add this color. I think it's fine. I want to decrease its height, so currently 45 is selected, but when I minimize it, you see there is no change. So another way to do that, select your section, go to the advanced tab and give it a negative margin like that. It's fine now. Now I want to decrease its height, my logo height. Select your logo, go to the style, and from here you can adjust its height. I think it's fine. And make it 100 and select its height as 60. I do not want any padding in this section, and go to the column and give it a width like 13 is fine. Now go to the your navigation menu and till here it's fine. Breakpoint tablet is selected, it's fine. Full width, I will explain this in later. Now go to the style tab and give it a horizontal padding like 23 and vertical padding, it's fine, and space between 12 is fine. Now I want to give it a font, so I want to give it a font like Carla. I set Carla font as my global font. So from here you can select any of your font and font size is 16. I want to give it a 16 and make it a little bold, and it's fine. And I do not want to give it a line height, and normal color is this one. I want to make it a primary color, and when we hover on it we see this color. Copy it and give the same color to active. Now to style button. So I also want that when user click here they can directly call you. So from here copy that number, copy that link and give that link to button. When user click here they will directly make a call from here. So go to the style tab and also give it a font. Select your font and adjust. I do not need line height here, and 500 weight 500, and I want to make it a uppercase. So from here click uppercase. In normal give give color, text color is white and background color this one. And when we hover on it, go to the hover, text color would be the same, but background color a little transparent to the normal color as compared to normal color. You see, I think it's fine. If you want to give it a border, from here border type select solid, give it width 1 or 2 is fine, and give it a color. I want to give it a primary color. I think it's too dark, a little lighter, and it's fine. I do not want to give it a radius, so I will select 0 and give it a padding. I want 26 right, and now I want to give this section as a background color. So from here select section and go to the style. From background select classic and select color. I think it would be fine. I do not want to add any hover color here, so I will just give it a normal color here. But you see, when we hover on it, that navigation color is not like really visible, so adjust them. So go to the navigation and make it a little dark. It's fine, and I feel like that font size is not so good, so I want to make it like 18. Now it looks fine. After you are satisfied with that, click here on publish and give it a condition, and automatically it just select include entire site. It means that your header will be visible to your entire site. If you do not want to show your header to entire site, you can select these options from here. Like if you want to display your header to any singular page, so from here select singular and select that page that you want to show your header to that page. So like front page. But I do not want to do that. I want to show my header to my entire site, so I include entire site and select, click on save and close. After that view you can preview how header looks like. So that's how our header now looks like. I want this button here and social icon. I want to give it a little left margin, and this button also, and a logo and this icon list also. So just go to the here and give it a start from here, select this one and adjust margin. What you can do, just go here, go to the section and make it stretch and hide this one, and I think it's fine. But I want to just this logo and this button margin. Now go to the button. I give it a negative margin to the right, and I also want to do the same for this one. I want to copy this one. I think it's fine, and you can see how it looks like. Now I want to give it give my this section a top border. So go to your section, in your style tab select border, and from here select border type as solid, and I want to give it a top border. Select its width, it is fine, and I want to give it a primary color like this one, a little light. Yeah, it's fine now. And one more thing, you see when I scroll down, my header is not sticky and it's not a really good impression. So make your header a sticky. So go to the advanced tab and from here select motion effect and make it sticky to the top. And you see when I scroll down, it is sticky. I only adjust this section as sticky, I not this one. So click on update and how it looks like now. Refresh your page and that's how it looks like that. Like when we click on it, you can directly make a call. Also from here and you can make an email from here. Click on it and you see, I think it's fine. Now other thing, do not forget about mobile user. Elementor makes it easy to create a mobile responsive header. We will adjust this layout, fonts and elements, ensure it looks fantastic on smaller devices. So from here, click on responsive mode, and that's how it looks like on desktop view, and click on tablet, and that's how it looks like on tablet view. So adjust that. So from here, site logo is not showing here. Open your navigation and select site logo, and it's not showing because of this margin. Make it 0. And from here, I also do not need too much padding here. And it's fine. I also want to adjust its height. I want this column here, and I want to give it a margin, left margin like 83. And this button, I do not want to show this button to my tablet or mobile view because this is already available. So how to hide button to tablet and mobile view? So go to the responsive, and from here hide on tablet portrait and hide on mobile, so it will not be shown to the mobile or tablet. And select this column width as 50, and also this one 50, and go to the mobile view and how it looks like. Also do the same. Currently its width is 70 and it's 30, so I want to give it a little like 40, and it's fine. Now adjust the height. I do not need top padding or any bottom padding. And from here, I do not need any padding here. Go to the social icon and select its alignment to center. Something is wrong with that. Icon list are not showing here because its width is like 100. I want to give it a 50, and I also want to give it to high width 50 to other column. So I have adjusted that, and now I want to show you something. Like when we click on it, and this drop down menu will be shown to tablet and mobile view. Now it's time to adjust them. First of all, go to the content and select full width. If it's not selected, then it will be displayed like that. So full width, selected full width. Align, I want to align it center. Make sure hamburger is selected, like this is what hamburger is. And toggle align right. Now go to the style tab and adjust them. Go to the drop down and give it a color. Like I want to give it this color, and background color is like that. You can adjust according to your desire. And I also want to give it a font like as Carla, and its font size is would be 16, and font weight 400 is fine. Now next step, when we hover on it, I do not want this yellow color. Not that. What's about this one? I think it's fine. And I also want to copy this color and make sure it's selected white, and also active color would be this one, same to hover color. And next step, now I want to give it a border, and I want to give it a divider. Select its border type solid, give it a color, and border width would be 2. And you see this last have no border here, so for that from here select solid, and I also want to give it a uncheck this one, and from here and also give it the same color, and now it's fine. So that's how it looks like on tablet view and also to the mobile view. But you see this white space, I do not want this white space, I want it like here. So from here adjust the distance like that. 15 is fine. In tab view it's fine, and in desktop view, so hit the update button and preview how it looks like. Refresh the page and go to the inspect and check how it looks like on other devices. So from here select this one. So that's how it looks like on laptop, on this laptop. On tablet, and in mobile view. I do not need this button here, but I want this button here and logo here, so adjust its margin and also adjust this toggle button color. So go to your editor in tablet view, and now it's time to style toggle, and from here select its color like this one. Yeah, it's fine. And when we hover on it, its background is fine, and when we hover on it, also select this color and make it a little transparent, or this color. like this color. So because of this button, that's why my navigation menu is showing here. So adjust them. So this site logo is like a little centered here. I want it like in left. So I want to give it a margin. Select logo and give it a negative left margin 116. So it is making issue because I did not notice, and this button column also occupying some width, and because of that these are not 50-50, so that's why it's making an issue for me. Make sure this column would be like width would be 50-50 and also in here. Refresh the page, go to the inspect, and how it looks like on this device, in laptop, in this laptop, in tablet view, in mobile view. So now it's fine. And you see this section is also sticky for the mobile view and for also the tablet view. I have no other thing here, so that's why it's not scrolling up. And I find out why this icon list is not showing here, because in the responsive tab it is hide for tablet view. I want to now adjust it. I adjust this icon list, and I do not want to show this social icon into tablet or into mobile view, so I want to hide them. Go to the advanced tab and in responsive and turn on this one and click on update. And preview how it looks like. You see in laptop it is showing, both are showing, and when we go to the tablet it is out, it is also okay, but I do not want to hide them for tablet. I also want to hide them for not navigation but this one, want to hide them for just tablet view, not tablet view, just for mobile, like that. Actually I selected the column and I hide it. Click on update. So now issue is resolved. I just removed the left margin here and it's fine now. So how it looks like on this laptop, and here and in tablet. You see these are showing in tablet, and when we go to the mobile only this icon list is showing here. If you want to take your header to the next level, Elementor provides advanced features like sticky header, transparent header, or even dynamic head content. I will show you how to implement these features to make your header truly unique, but in the next tutorial, because it's already gets longer. And once you are satisfied with your header design, I can guess you did follow my tutorial and also implement this one. And our header is like our main header for entire site. But before finalizing, it's essential to thoroughly test your header on various devices and browsers like I did, and make any necessary adjustment to ensure a seamless user experience. And there you have it, a beautifully designed header for your WordPress website using Elementor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web design tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.